Hi. Yes. Nice to meet you. All right. Let's cross over here. I guess that you're looking towards camera. Yeah, nice. Perfect. Okay, cool. And then let's get you looking straight past me as well. That's it. What's your name again, sorry? Zoe, okay. So I literally had I'm cutting names anyway, but I've had 7 people today. So Zoe, okay. I will remember that. Perfect. Okay. Let's get some smiley ones. Perfect. Everyone hates smiling. It's like one of those things, isn't it? Okay, cool. And then what we're going to do, take a seat on here, and you can almost you can actually have your back to the concrete there. That's it. Perfect. Let's have a look. Nice. And then let's get you looking kind of away from me over there. That's it. Amazing. And then can I be annoyed? Can you open the jacket just so it's like a bit away from your... That's it. Just so I can see a bit more of like your neck. That's it. Fab. Cool. Perfect. And then just eyes to me. That's it. Perfect. Let's have a look. Yeah, cool. Do that again with your hair. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's get a shot of your... Bring one of your feet down. Yeah, that's better. I was trying to work out which one was better. Okay. Perfect. Nice. Cool, okay. Done there. And then looking down the road again for me. That's it. And then both hands in your pockets. That's it. And then just to me. Cool, done.